Every Friday we get paid with Save Club. And if you don't configure your back office, there's no way for Save Club to pay you. Now, your money's not going to go anywhere. It's going to sit in limbo, but I'm going to show you how to go to the My Earnings tab and go ahead and configure your bank. I live in America. I live in Utah. I've had the same bank for 400 years, so I just configured my bank with Save Club. So every Friday, I look at how much I've earned, and then it gets dumped, transferred right into my bank, and it's ready to spend. And if you live outside of America, you can configure with eWallet. And I'm a big fan of eWallet. I love it. After you configure eWallet, if you have a balance, let's say of $200, you just log into your eWallet account, go ahead and just type in how much you want to transfer, hit transfer, and it'll dump into where you want it to go. But only you can do that. We can't do that for you. All right, now let me show you what it looks like. This is the My Earnings tab. So if you've already joined Save Club, just go to saveclub.com, go and log in to My Earnings. All right, pretty easy. And then right here, see select your payment option. You need to click that. And then that's where you're going to choose bank, or you're going to set up your own e-wallet. Cryptocurrency as well. You know, iPayout, e-wallet. There's plenty of things there. You can see the word credit wallet. Just go ahead and click one of those buttons. But if you live in America or you want to just go ahead and configure it the easy way, just go to select your payment option first. You can go to these other ones, view the pay plan, transfer commissions to credit wallet. That's after you've got credit wallet set up. But right here, please go here. I'm producing this video Friday morning for my team. And I know that a handful of people that are in my group, they have not set up their bank. So they're going to have money. And don't worry, under the My Earnings tab, you're going to be able to see how much money you have. But in order to get it, grab it, and go spend it, you need to click right here, select your payment option. All right. Now, if you have not joined Save Club, well, gosh darn it, we need to get you in. Go to ilovesaveclub.com right now. Go ahead and just sign up. You're going to get a nice email. All you got to do is just fill in here, hit that orange button, and then open the Save Club email, and then you can join. Get your username, get your password. Let's just get you in right now. Today is May 23rd on Friday. We have 7 more days of pre-launch before this whole shebang is going to be more publicly revealed. You're going to see more advertising. Save Club, no doubt about it, it's going to be probably bigger than Groupon, in my opinion. It's online, it's worldwide. Plus, there's an affiliate division where people like me and you, we can earn money. Not the Kardashians or influencers or a bunch of, I don't know, wannabe influencers. I laugh when someone says they're an influencer and they only have like 7 friends. Well, I have a lot more than that. And right now, this Save Club opportunity has paid me right around $4,000 the first month that I've even been doing this thing. It saved me $720. Okay, now listen. I've made $1,000 cash in about a month. So let's just say $1,000 a week. I've saved $720 on tires, a mattress, a couple car wash businesses I go to, and just a couple random food things. Whoppers at Burger King. Whoops, sue me. My body's like, damn, let's go have another one. Let's have another 5 Whoppers. I have 6 tires that I got to buy for one of my Chevy Crew Cab dualies. I'm going to save easily a couple $100 at Discount Tire. So I've saved $720 my first month by paying $19.97. I've made right around $4,000 cash in 4 weeks. Now, with my funnel system that I use, it gets me a lot of signups. It's put me in the top 10 worldwide already. I average about 1 to 2 to 3 signups per day. I've had about 6 or 8 signups just in the last couple days. But get this, each funnel user, I make $20. So thank you. It's $25 to use the funnel, and I will make $20 out of the 25. So thank you. It's like you're buying me lunch or dinner. And on top of that, it's recurring. So when I have 20, 50, 100, 200 people using the funnel, if I times that by $20, that's $17 billion. So I became a billionaire in 1 week. Okay, I'm just kidding. But you know what? When you're making an extra 5 to 6 to 800 to $1,000 a month recurring on something you're using that is kicking butt, everyone that's using the funnel system, it takes 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Just watch the setup video and just rock and roll all night and party every day. Let me show you a little bit about the funnel just real quick, because I just wanted to make this video real quick on how to set up your back office. But I want you to look at saveclubfunnels.com, and I want you to go to ilovesaveclub.com. Both of these links lead to you signing up, saving money, $19.97 a month. Oh, got a cough. But I want you to save like 50 to 100 to 200 bucks a month by spending 20 bucks. That's what's the beauty of Save Club. It's an amazing thing minus the affiliate side. You want to be an affiliate? Get the 60. I want you to go here and just fill this out, hit that orange button, but I also want you to look at the funnel system. So when you go to Save Club Funnels with an S, all right, do you guys remember what it looks like? That's it right there. Just go to that link, click it, and you're going to go to this page. I'm going to put in my email, show me the video. This video right here is 20 minutes long, and it explains Save Club in massive detail. It shows the comp plan. It shows how to use my deals to save by spending that 20 bucks a month. But then as an affiliate, it also describes in full detail the support you're going to get when you join my team. You can join Save Club by hitting that red button. If you want the funnel, hit the right button. You got 25 bucks. Watch this video. It'll help you set it up real quickly. And then get this. I want you to hit the red button on the right, because I want you in both of our private Facebook groups. 2, not 1. All right, 2. 1. Dos. Uno, dos. I don't know any other language other than uno, dos, and the number 2. 2 Facebook groups. I want you to be a part of them. We have banners. We have pictures. We also have a ton of video already made that you upload to any of your social media platforms, from TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and more. Threads, short little reels, short little stories. You guys will figure it out. But the video's already done, so you don't have to do what I'm doing right here. Use our videos. Use our pictures, please, because I want you to make a bunch of money. Then you can go and hit the My Earnings tab, select your payment option, because I want you to make money. I want you to get paid. At the end of the day, we want to save money, but we want to earn money too. You can do this. Trust me, please. All right, disclaimer, disclaimer. There's my little fingers as quotes. I got to do a disclaimer when it comes down to earning money, but I don't have to when it comes to saving money. Proof is in the pudding. Do that Save Club thing. Go and search the world over. There's going to be millions of deals worldwide eventually. All right, it's the kickoff. We're 7 days away, but right now, it's the pre-launch. But during the pre-launch, we need to get everybody signed up who wants to be affiliates, because we're going to sign up people across the street, down the block, at the bowling league. We're going to sign up people in your city and your state, and I want worldwide groups as well. We're talking right across from Asia to Africa to Alabama, everything that starts with an A. Is it Albania? I almost said Albania. That's where everyone has blonde hair and red eyes. We're going to get nothing but albinos from Albania and Alabamers. Okay? Arizona. I'm trying to think of all the A's here in America. Let's see. Arizona, Alabama. I don't know. Do we have any other A's? I can't remember. Does Arkansas count? There's some wild hillbillies in Arkansas. Okay. Oh, man. Okay. Anyway, let me just show you my links one more time. Let's get you configured, though. If you got some money coming your way, this morning is Friday. Let's get you paid. So set up your back office. And if you're not even signed up yet, there's the links, okay? Peace. Love. You get a hold of me if I can help you out. Cory at CoryDraper.com. I don't care if you're in my group or not. We'll help you out with the funnel system and make darn sure you have a good experience with Save Club, okay? All right. Have a good one, guys. We'll talk to you next video. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, or I'll cry like a little bitch. Okay, bye.